Chuck with Flex Drill CNC here. We have some customers calling in every now and then and asking how we would hold certain parts. Simple weldment like this. Kind of use a sub plate, and we'll put some blocks underneath it, and then clamp down on top of those blocks. Sometimes we'll have a series of vices in the back of the machine. But we have our engineers here and some good people around us, so we can actually figure out what would be the best way to hold your parts and bring it back to you. Now you guys can send us the part. We'll let the engineers look at it, and the programmers, even me, and we'll see what we can come up with.